Yo, what do you think? The track beats fucking water? Alright guys, we made it to Kahala. Oh no, you know what it's called? Ryan Ritter's a Pussy MX. That's where we made it. I'm not riding. We're just spectating. I think I'm gonna ride we got this loaded up. KLX 110. That's actually crazy. This track looks drier than my dick. We're gonna watch Ryan today. There's gonna be no noise because the bike doesn't make any noise. I don't think it ever rains in California. Seems like it's just a dry desert everywhere. Me and Johnny are gonna try to get all the way to the top of the flag. But I don't know. I would say I have about 1 month left until I could ride. I'm hoping. Dr. G really helped me out yesterday. Got all the tight tissues in my leg all loosened up, which felt pretty nice. I need to get on a program like that, bro. Listen, don't get me wrong, the PT that I'm doing back home is great, but it's nothing like what I fucking did yesterday, dude. Like, I've never had my leg get that. I mean, this dude was polishing my balls.
I'm not gonna lie.
Should we put gasoline on his bike?
Let's see what you got, bud.
How you feel?
I'm fine.
I feel alright.
Oh, buddy.
The weekend. Remember the weekend before the start of the second race?
Oh, yeah.
Can you say hello to my boy?
Yeah. Where's he at?
Let me get him on FaceTime.
Yeah.
Because I told him he saw you the weekend. He was like, no.
Is your son racing?
In the UK, because I'm at home at the minute. He'll come here.
What's his name? Chad?
Chad, he watches all your stuff.
I'm gonna call Chad gay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yo, Chad. Yo, what up, fag? Chad, where you at, brother?
Somewhere really cold.
Really cold? How is the weather out there, Chad, eh? Hello, mate. Chad, I got a question for you. Are there any trannies out there? You gotta come out to Cali, dude. Come ride. Good to see you, brother.
You're a superstar. Thank you.
Dude, what an accent.
He said you're a superstar.
You are the man, mate. Nobody's coming up to Ryan Ritter. That's from the UK. That guy's from the UK. Well, look at that hair, dude. Huh?
Oh, we got 7 gear today?
What, you don't like it?
Nah. You look good in you looked good in what did you have
Canvas?
before? Yeah, you looked good in
Well, you switched over?
Michael wasn't paying enough.
Or it doesn't. There's no way that you're here. Dude, I'm always here. I'm always out and about. We drove 8 hours to come see you, dude.
You went to the race and then Huntington and now you're here. Did you forget my number?
Nah. I still
can't call.
But I was like, you know what? This guy's too Hollywood now. I don't feel like hitting him up.
He gets 2 mil on socials and he can't hit me up anymore. He getting too famous, taking viral videos that aren't even his and then just talking shit on people and trying to get famous off of it just to get a couple followers out of the deal. Then he posts his riding, he loses followers, and then he can't hit me up.
Does it run like shit?
No, it's starting to get now. It wasn't as
I would
sick
love
as
to.
I thought it was gonna be. I need to like.
Yeah, I just broke my femur though.
How?
Riding.
Like medium boy.
I know.
Just here for the show.
And it was like that shit was not my fault at all whatsoever, and I got fucked.
You got hurt?
Was it the
Yeah,
bike?
a kid on a 65 was in an A and B practice, and he fell on the bottom of a
Yeah,
double,
hit his
and he
bike?
walked away. Yeah, I hit one endo, went over his leg. Bro, that pain was. It was like it was worse than having teeth on my dick, dude. Like worse than
You
that.
had that? Can you
Terrible.
compare that?
Yo, you ever see? Yeah, you ever see the episode of SpongeBob where he like when he grades the chocolate? Yeah, dude.
It's like
I
that.
watched some fucked up shit.
Yeah,
How
Terrible.
long are they saying so you can ride?
They said I think another month I could ride.
Oh, you're dialed.
Yeah, but I don't, bro. I need a better like PT system, because I went to Dr. G yesterday, and I've never had someone like this is gonna sound very gay. Yeah, like really massage the shit out of me.
Yeah.
Dude went up into my groin and shit. I was like, no,
Because you got all
no.
that muscle
I've been gay my
ass
whole
feet
life,
and
dude.
shit.
I've been so gay. And you know what's crazy? I tell everybody this, the same thing. I've been sitting when I pee since I was like a liquid. Since you were in that guy's nutsack, I've been sitting when I pee. Are you riding today?
What?
Are you riding today? All right, I'm gonna do a lot of coaching on you today.
You should.
A lot of coaching.
Actually, rips pretty good.
I'm not at their level yet, but I'll be in hopefully in a few years. us. Pull the bike up before you ride it, dude. We got everyone out here today.
Take your shit.
Is the frame like a lot different?
No, I just need to like mess with my suspension. My suspension wasn't dialed. It was too soft, sent it back in, it still feels a little too soft. But compared to the Honda, it's completely different. But I used to ride it stock here, and when I did those shootouts, and the Yamaha felt insane. It was the sickest ever.
Yeah.
And then I started doing shit to it, and now it's not as good as
I think the stock suspension is better.
It's still be too soft, but there's more balance. I don't know, maybe I just need to test with it a little bit or
But
something.
it definitely looks sicker.
It does look sick as fuck. I'm hyped the way it turned out. I was blown up for a minute. I've only ridden it like 3 times ever.
Yeah, I saw that the screw was in the.
Yeah, I don't know if this has an hour meter. I'd have to check the app, but yeah, under 5 for sure.
First sex in the past.
I'm on the bike, 100%.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Wow, that's actually kind of impressive. Yo, can you do you sell lessons online on how to get bitches? I need something, dude. I can't. I've been using my hand my whole life.
What do you mean? Every time I go to Huntington, you have a new one.
Low key.
That's kind of true.
Low key.
Ever since you got the M, it's been crazy.
You, buddy, get your ass over here. The fellas over at Manscaped are not only good at buffing up your balls, but they're also good at buffing up your face as well. As you can see right here, we have a phenomenal set of brightening serum. We have a phenomenal set of the face moisture. And we have the face wash. And we have this, that you put all this bullshit on it, you turn it on, and you buff up your face with it. Head over to manscaped.com and use my code Gomez for 20% off plus free shipping at manscaped.com. Love yous.
Oh shit!
Yo, see now, what if you hurt me?
Oh my
What if
god!
you hurt me? What would you do? Would you care? Would you help me? What would you do if I was in need of care? It smells like shit in here. It smells like dirty pussy.
Oh my god.
That was
Isn't it?
crazy. You got me
Yo, you got
too.
water for me? Can I get a water?
Water? Water?
Water?
Water?
You're from New York, bro. You know how it is.
How you been, handsome?
Chilling. How you, bro?
You been ripping? You're not disabled anymore?
Nah,
Oh yeah,
guys
last
getting
time
the
was
package?
a
still
broken
got a
wrist.
second asshole. It's
Ah, I
not
like
closing
that.
up.
Actually, like I need a pair of shorts. They don't have to be DBK. I need shorts. I need water too, dude. Can you give me water?
This fucking
Make
guy.
yourself useful, dude.
He talks so much shit and just comes in and
Where's
demands
the-
this shit.
Where's the fridge? Can you give me a water?
The fridge?
There's a little fountain thing.
What do you want me to call it, dude? Listen to how he says water. He
Water?
Plastic cup.
He says water.
Water?
Wait, you don't have like a monster bottle things in here?
There's straight up hardcore monsters if you want to get down.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie, maybe I will because of you. I called up.
You're fucking me up. I'm supposed to be at Thrill Seekers right now. Hour and 15 minutes away.
Doing what? Tastes like your asshole. Because now I'm actually looking at this as my job. This wasn't my full-time job. I work for an asphalt company.
Are you doing this full time now?
Yeah, why? Why do you ask, faggot? Well, I can't have a serious conversation with you.
Did you hear what he just said?
No, it's
It's
good.
going in there.
Don't bleep that. Like,
It's
make
going
sure
right
you
in there.
leave that.
No, because I try to have a serious conversation with you where I try to talk numbers and statistics, and I can't get any normal information out of you. And then every time I do, you start moaning and grumbling and fucking around and shit.
That's literally him. I get nothing out of him, and he starts
Agent
moaning.
Dr. Faggot, are you here in the building? Yeah, no. Now it's a job. Now I gotta pay him, so I gotta get my shit
You
rolling.
need to pay him more. If it wasn't for him, you'd be fucked.
I made more without him in the picture.
I guarantee you did.
I did. No, I didn't. I did.
Definitely.
No.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
Turn the camera on you, dude.
You gotta just grab it from me when I do
No,
that shit.
I was making more when I was obviously didn't have them, but I was so unorganized, dude. Bro, when I was first doing my stuff, I used to package what he does. I used to do everything
Are
myself.
you saying that's why you were making more?
No, this was a while ago.
You
when
probably fucked so many
Dude.
orders up.
I was making so much money, but fucking everything up. Like, dude, like you could even leave this in the vlog, and I feel so bad about it. I was getting.
Transparency is good.
Oh, dude. I was realizing, and like at the time, the quality of my clothes was paper mache, dude.
I've heard
Like
the
you
quality's
wash it,
still
you
shit.
no. My stuff is fantastic now. Like, at the end of the day, you know what's crazy about between DBK and TGS is your brand is cool, right? Mine gets more attention. Now, you take what you do and what I do. What I do is more important for everyone. What you do is just like, damn, I look sick only at the track. No one's gonna go to a fucking Costco with DBK on, and the lady scanning your fucking food is gonna be like, nice dirt bike shirt. When I go scan my rotisserie chicken at Costco, that lady's looking at me, all sorts of pissed off. You have.
I was gonna say, there's no fucking way there's anybody looking at you at a Costco and being like, I
she's
like that
livid.
shirt.
Like, she's like, sir, you can't wear that in my store. All right, you fat bitch. You see what I mean? Like, okay. And that makes the world happy. That we live in a world of angry, upset people that are very insecure about themselves. That's why people steer towards things that make other people angry, because it makes them feel. Look at the comment section on every Instagram post in America. Instagram is the most racist app of all time.
That's why you have unpaid invoices in your email, because I just help you.
He got nothing out of this
I
conversation.
just create this extra monetization for him to just talk shit to. So I would love for these to get paid. That's why you're here, right?
I called Twitch. I don't
Twitch.
understand why you guys have the balls and the audacity to cool guy me.
Who's cool guy?
I'm him. I run everything. I'm the face of the internet. And you're gonna cool guy me?
Who cool
You're
guy?
the only one that has it. Has anybody ever put gum on his head on the cutout? Has there ever been gum on his
He's doing some weird shit again.
Has there ever been gum on his cutout?
I don't know.
Should I send him a picture of my nutsack on him?
You should, actually.
That would be sick. I can't send a picture of just my dick though. I would love to. He's so ugly. God, I don't like you.
He wonders why he doesn't answer his phone calls.
You know what's crazy is like I come to myself sometimes in terms of like I set myself up and I realize that like I do it all, bro. I created this business. Okay? DBK's nothing without me. You see all the ads that you run with me now? You guys are gonna go up in sales. Now when my attorney comes and tries to fuck you guys because you're not giving me my share of payment at the end of the month, that's gonna be a problem between me and you. Then it's gonna ruin our friendship. We can't let that happen.
That'd be a problem. Huh?
Yeah. You lose me, dude. It's like the difference between me and you is like a Samsung and an Apple.
Which
you know?
one's better?
Apple. All day. I'll do a better example. The difference between me and you is like an electric bike and a
boy,
gas
here we-
bike.
Yeah, I knew this was coming.
Yeah. Okay. Bro, did you know that I rode? Do you know what pinch bolts are? I rode an entire day for 6 hours with all 4 pinch bolts out of the, like,
The lugs.
not on the bike.
Classic.
The whole day.
So your axle's just like spinning. Yeah.
Yeah. I rode all day. Hit
That's the
massive.
day you crashed?
No.
It was actually fine.
Literally fine all day. I took a picture with a little kid. I posted on my story. Some old fuck was like, "Where are your pinch bolts?" I didn't even know what a pinch bolt was. Looked it up on Google. The bike was in the shed thing that we had, and I'm looking over. I'm like, "There's no pinch bolts." Ugh. Ugh.
Dude, what the fuck?
Up, dude. He's been wanting socks forever, and you just won't hook him up.
I'll get him
See,
whatever
this
he
is what
wants.
happens. What he does, folks, is this is the type of guy that promises people things but can't do it. He's not a man of his word. He's not a man at all.
What?
No, I'm just saying because he promised my camera guy free socks. He'd ship them right to the house.
Let's go, John. Let's get you. We'll get you a whole bunch of shit because fuck this one.
Okay, fine, perfect. I'm okay with that. I don't like to spend anything. Fuck DBK. What does that even stand for? Dick balls kids.
Dirty bitch kids.
Oh, we have a cancer patient. Kenny Bell says.
Oh
You have a
God,
cancer
that's
patient that
terrible.
works here?
Someone said you
That's
look like
a
a
good one.
cancer
It's a
patient.
pretty good one.
You really
Do
do
like
it.
a road to
the tank
recovery
top?
thing.
Yeah.
Where it's like we're
Is
taking
it?
care of
No,
them.
son.
Oh,
Are you being
yo,
dead ass?
You hired a cancer patient, dude? That's
got-
so.
It's through like road
Make
to
a wish.
recovery. Yeah.
And make a
Oh
wish.
my.
Road to recovery. This ain't no drug addict. This is dying of cancer.
Well, he's
Let's make a wish.
he's got a few things
Yo,
going
can you
on.
please get me in contact with your graphic guy, designer? Can you not forget that, bro? Out of all the things I
Oh,
do
yeah,
for you,
yeah,
God
yeah.
forbid you
Yeah.
help me out.
Yeah, I will.
That's what I need, dude. I need someone to just get on their knees, get their knees dirty, and buff me up.
If you do that for me, I got you.
You gonna let me put honey on it?
And you have to do it right
Bro,
now.
you look
after
like
Motos.
someone out of like a fucking retarded cartoon movie.
Look at you.
No, I'm serious. You look like a skeleton.
Hold on. People send you shit that you look like.
What is it? Lord Farquaad.
Retards.
Oh, this guy looks like Mike Tyson's punching bag.
So DBK still didn't give me my socks. It's all right though, but they hooked it up.
But we got you hooked up, right?
Yeah,
You got
let's
fucking
see.
No,
fresh
honestly, I'll give
Got
a quick
fresh
little
underwear,
promo.
fresh hat, sweatsuit, shirt.
Fellas, I don't like to rock a lot of brands because a lot of the brands that I rock either treat me like shit or they don't really take care of me or they don't even they don't pay me. Because, like, listen, if you want to pay me to rock your brand, one, the brand's got to look cool, and two, we got to be talking decent money so that I can actually afford my shitty-ass fucking camera guy. But DBK's not that bad. I come here 3 times a year. Twitch is never here. He's like... It's so funny. When all these guys get all these followers and shit, their ego gets so big, and then they start cool guying the people that are bigger than them. I don't know what's going on. I'm bigger than Twitch, and I don't know why he has the audacity or the balls to think that he's better than me. No, never will be. Not in my fucking time. Go to dbk.com/Ryan Ritter loves cock in his mouth, and they sell some of the best stuff in the game. Seriously. And then we'll leave. I think Ryan's selling his. Are you selling the electric bike? No, I don't think it's for sale yet. So I'll let you guys know when he's finally selling it, and then we'll take it from there. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you go to my website, not theirs, and shop the best merch in the game. This quality, this money.